A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Dear students, today our theorem is for any two groups H and K, prove that H cross K is isomorphic to K cross H. Proof: given that H and K are groups, so that H cross K and K cross H are groups under the operation of multiplication, we prove that H cross K is isomorphic to K cross H. For this, let us define a mapping phi from H cross K to K cross H by H comma K order pair under phi is equal to K comma H for all the H comma K belong to H cross K, where H belong to the subgroup H and K belong to the subgroup K. Because under phi H cross K is the domain, so we take an element from H cross K, and the element of H cross K is represented by the order pair H comma K. The first element, that is H, belong to the subgroup H, and the second element K belong to the subgroup K. Clearly the function phi as defined above is onto. Next, let we take two elements from the range, that is h1 k1 under phi is equal to h2 k2 under phi, where h1 h2 belong to the H and k1 k2 belong to the K. h1 h2 two elements from the subgroup H and k1 k2 two elements belong to the subgroup K. If we apply phi, so this will become k1 h1 order pair is equal to k2 h2 order pair, and we see that two order pairs are equal. This implies that k1 is equal to k2 and h1 is equal to h2. It means that the first element belongs to the first element and the second element is equal to the second element. This implies that h1 k1 is equal to h2 k2. Because h1 is equal to h2 and k1 is equal to k2, then it means that the both order pairs must be equal. That is h1 k1 under phi is equal to h2 k2 under phi. This implies that h1 k1 order pair is equal to h2 k2 order pair, so that phi as defined above is 1 1, because this is the definition of 1 1. Next, for any h1 k1 h2 k2 belong to H cross K, taking two elements from the domain is H cross K. The first element h1 h2 belong to the subgroup H, and the second element k1 k2 belong to the subgroup K. We have, for the homomorphism, h1 k1 order pair h2 k2 order pair under phi is equal to. Now first we apply the mapping operation of the multiplication, h1 h2 comma k1 k2 under phi. Now we apply phi. So under phi h1 k1 will convert to k1 k2 and k1 k2 will convert to h1 h2. So we can also write under the mapping multiplication, so we can write k1 h1 order pair k2 h2 order pair, and k1 h1 order pair is equal to h1 k1 under phi, and k2 h2 order pair is equal to h2 k2 under phi, which shows that phi is a homomorphism and hence phi is an isomorphism, because it is 1 1 onto and homo. So it is an isomorphism from the group H cross K to the group K cross H. This proved that H cross K is isomorphic to K cross H.